Hi everybody, welcome to the Live with Chaudhry. I'm at the Molecular Devices booth here at SLS Europe in Hamburg, and I'm delighted to catch up with Sally Higham from Molecular Devices. She's going to tell us more about compliance today. But before we do that, how are you, Sally?
I am very good, thank you as well.
Well, it's lovely to see you. Now, before we talk about Molecular Devices and what you're talking to delegates about this week, how's the show gone so far?
Really good, thank you. It's an exciting first day. We certainly had a lot of visitors to the booth, which is really exciting, and lots of engagement with our new applications and connecting with our customers. That's what we're here to do.
Brilliant.
So really grateful for those opportunities.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. Now, for those people not familiar with Molecular Devices though, could you give us a very quick top-line overview of the business and what you do?
Of course. So we are a global innovation partner. We have a mission to support the improvement of health and quality of life everywhere. So we are a part of the Danaher family. Our own mission within Molecular Devices is to support scientists working on new therapeutic modalities to actually develop and bring to the market those new treatments to help people live longer, happier, healthier lives.
Fantastic. Now, as I said, you are actually talking to delegates specifically about compliance this week. So, tell the viewers what you're actually discussing with the delegates.
Of course. So, our more traditional customers that you would see as maybe in the research labs, and you would see that people are doing bench science, looking for candidates, looking to identify potential solutions. Moving that further along the workflow. Fortunately, when a company is in a position to be able to offer a solution, a therapeutic model to the market, then we get into the manufacturing phase, and that's when quality control and data integrity really becomes a critical factor in the solution that organisation is providing. So that's where we come in, and we like to make matching those data integrity requirements as simple as possible by providing a tool that's flexible, that's comprehensive, and most of all easy to use to allow our customers to take those fantastic new treatments out there into the market, to be able to keep that supply out there and to make sure that people are enjoying happier, healthier and longer lives.
Right, so what's the package then that you actually offer to customers?
So SoftMax Pro GXP is a different version of our software. So SoftMax Pro uses is the control and data collection software for our microplate readers, and the GXP version adds that compliance element. So it adds the ability to control user access, it adds system audit trails, it adds the ability to bank data in a secure way so that according to CFR 21 Part 11, that data is protected from erosion or loss. So it's providing that security element around the software, around the data, so that everybody can be able to present robust data to the auditors, to the industry, to be able to say, yes, we manufactured this and we've tested it for consistency to make sure that it's going to be as effective as the last batch and the last batch and the next batch. So it's all about consistency, and the key to that is data reproducibility and data integrity.
Right, and one final question though. I mean, obviously there are a lot of companies out there who offer software for data integrity and compliance on. What differentiates your package to others in the marketplace?
So software in and of itself is fine, and what we offer at Molecular Devices is an end-to-end solution. So our microplate readers can travel with our customer's journey from the R&D lab
right,
all the way through the GLP, the clinical trials, into the GMP facilities where you're doing the quality control work. So the same plate readers can be transferred, and that means that there's no transfer of data or risk of data integrity breaches, transcription errors, those kind of things, because the consistency is there. It's in the same software all the way through the process. It also means that when you develop to test in the earlier stages, you can use exactly the same standard work, exactly the same protocols, all the way through to that point where you're actually saying goodbye, thank you very much, Mr. Drug, go out there and make people well.
Fantastic. Well, look, so I appreciate taking time out to talk to me today. So viewers, if you're here in Hamburg for SLS Europe 2025, come and talk to Sally and the rest of the team, learn more about the software, but also there are other devices they've got on the booth.
Absolutely.
But if you can't make it, then you can meet them at many other shows across Europe and the rest of the world. And also, of course, follow them on LinkedIn and go to their website. So Sally, once again, thanks for your time. And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.